Everyone, a groundbreaking 2021 study in Nature Communications followed 8,000 adults over 25 years. They found out that people who slept less than 6 hours in their midlives have a 30% higher risk of developing dementia. Chronic short sleep deprives your brain to clear the toxins such as beta amyloid, which build up in your brain, leading to Alzheimer's disease. So if you are pulling late nights thinking that you are being productive, your brain might disagree. The sweet spot: aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. This is not luxury, it's important for your brain health and your overall health. For similar such tips, follow me on my YouTube channel, Dr. Sohail Anwar, Mind and Body.